So once you turn it back on, let's start to read that. Should turn back on, and it says it's ready to go. Waiting on the start button. I don't know how to make you read this any better. There you go. So press the start on button there, and it starts right up. Let's see, some kilowatts, some frequency there. Now this is showing that my tank down there is low, but if I were to fill up the tank like so, then it would cut the pump off. As you see there, it goes straight to 0. And then I'll cut the pump back on, turn that back on, and it cuts right back on. So you see that? That's float switch connected, running. We're getting full kilowatt of solar power out there, 300 volts, and all of a sudden, backing up, my tank gets full, boom, system cuts off. So 6 and 8, pretty standard connection. Let's look through here and see, turn it back on. Let's look through here and see what it says. So if you go home, then you go to the main menu, you go to parameters, I/O configuration, digital inputs. So this is my digital inputs. Start and stop, tank level is AO2. Scroll through those. I got well minimum, flow switch, flow meter, all of those are set up. I think these are pretty close to the defaults. If they're not, you can put them on these, and it should do the same thing that mine's doing. And that's that. If you look within back here, the min-max water level, that's I guess the run dry ones are, right now it's set to using this float switch pretty instantaneously, so there's no delay. The delay is built into where you mount the flow switch itself. If you mount it so that there's some space when it fills up, cuts the thing off, and then it gradually will sink and then cut itself back on. That's basically it.